Welcome to Palermo, Sicily, and the Villa Igiea Grand Hotel. This is the most beautiful seaside resort. The views, the rooms, the management. It's a Rocco Forte property. It's a historic, actually was once a private home, if you can imagine. It is so huge. I can't wait to show you my suite and all the amenities of this beautiful hotel, or it's a Rocco Forte Hotel, Villa Igiea in Palermo, Sicily. Look at this suite. I am as happy as I've ever been. I don't know that I've ever walked into a hotel suite and been this pleased with the colors, the fabrics, the space, the height of this room, the ceiling, all of the accoutrements. It has great books, it has the television, it has the mini bar, it has all of these features. And then there's this turret over to one side with these beautiful ocean views. Everything about this is just pure luxury. And of course, you know that I love blue and white. I'm wondering if you can even see me in this suite because all of my clothes match everything in here. But it's a beautiful space. Love this hotel. This is the bedroom of the suite here at Villa Igiea. It is perfection. As a matter of fact, this room I like so much that I'm going to measure it so that when I do a new construction project, I build the bedroom exactly like this. It has the perfect dimensions and scale. It has a very high ceiling, but it also accommodates a king-size bed, two big ample bedside tables with lots of storage, two big lamps, two great big beautifully framed mirrors, some nice accoutrements. I love the color scheme in here. It's as if you took this beautiful view with the beach and the water and the sky and turned it into a room. So you have the white wainscoting, the grass cloth in the pale sky blue, the white sheets with the blue, and then you have this sand color introduced. The custom rug has the blue and the sand color. I love that. Then we have two comfortable chairs, a great table in between, the television, there's a desk, there's lots of light, this beautiful window, and a spectacular view from every room in this suite. Love this hotel. This is the perfect bathroom in this beautiful suite. Some of the elements in this bathroom are so great. Once again, the scale of it, this is not huge, but yet it has this beautiful classic deep tub that has a handheld as well as the quick fill deep wide tub. It's big enough for two. There's this beautiful tile floor that to me, speaks to where we are in Palermo and Sicily, and this seems very perfect. You have the statuary marble wainscoting and elements all around. There's a garden stool here if you wanted to have a bucket of champagne while you're taking a bath. There's also this light fixture chandelier that is an uplight that looks like it came from the ocean. So it's so perfect for this seaside resort. The double vanity is beautiful out of statuary marble with the dark wood trim and then chrome elements. And then you have a pair of sconces, downlights, a pair of lighted magnifying mirrors. I mean, they've covered it. They've covered everything. This shelf, it all looks very classical and old world, but this shelf gives you plenty of space to put all your stuff, all your products, and then perfect light. And then there is the beautiful bidet and toilet with plenty of shelves and spaces in there. And then you have a full shower with a rain shower and a handheld and all the accoutrements of a perfect bathroom in a perfect hotel suite. I'm here in Palermo, Sicily at the Grand Hotel Villa Igiea, a Rocco Forte property. This is a historic private home that when you see it, you think, wow, private home that has been beautifully restored by the Rocco Forte group and turned into this magnificent resort, this magnificent seaside resort. And it has so many wonderful elements. There's so much to see in Sicily and in Palermo. And once I got here, I wanted to just stay. It's really a resort that you can spend days in. Beautiful places to have breakfast and a beautiful place to have lunch, all seaside, beautiful views. The rooms are magnificent. The common areas are magnificent. It's a great location, and it's a beautiful destination. The Villa Igiea in Palermo, Sicily.